Recording. So I will take you most of the time. So I'm not taking this topic. This is really complex for those who are new. So first of all, they have to go to the technical analysis, and then they have to go to the all strategy training, and that's why I'm not conducting any time. This is the first time I'm showing to you. Okay. First of all, I need to cover. I will take 15-20 minutes. I will take, maybe it can be, you have to go to NSE website. Equity derivatives. Where is training? It's 1127. 11278. Okay. Okay. So there's a in the money, out the money, at the money. In the money is inside. So this yellow one is inside because they are below 11278. So 11 is inside. This is in the money put because they are inside the put. So 11, this is inside the call. This is called in the money call, and this yellow one is called in the money put. The white one, which is far away, because this level is did not touch, that's why they are telling this out the money call. 11300, 11350, 114, that's called out the money call. This is called out the money call. Right now, this is 11250. I will say, because it's trading at 11278, I will say is at the money call, and this will say 11250. I will say at the money put because it's trading at 11278. So that's why 11250, it's my at the money call, and this is my at the money put. Okay, again repeating, the level inside is called in the money, the level put, this is inside the money. Okay, level call is a level which is outside the level that has to be achieved, because if it's trading at 11278, 11250 is yet to be achieved, it's going downside. The next target should be 11. So that is called out the money put. This is called out the money call, and this 11250, that is called at the money call, and this is called at the money put. So this is a simple thing. If you didn't get, you have to search from the Google, see 3-4 times, you will get it. Now the very few complex thing that I'm going to start right now, that's only for your information purpose. Now if you are thinking that market will go up, you are 100% sure that market will go up, then what should you do? You buy a long call. You buy a call, then you should buy a call. And then if you are thinking that market should touch at 2800, 28,000, so buy a call of 28,000 at 30-40 rupees. And if it touches the 28,000, you will get a profit. That is called a long call. You buy a long call. Now, I firmly believe that market is not going to rise. So what should be my strategy? Okay, I'm thinking that market should not rise. So what should I do? I can do buy a put, or I can buy a short call. So here I'm doing a short call. The short call is meaning that the market will fall, and market will fall, and then I will make the money. That is called a short call. That I believing that the short call is there, then I will short a call and I will make a money when the market is making a downside. Long put, the same way, you are very bearish in the market, you will buy the out of the money call, out of the money put, and you will wait for the market will fall. When the market will fall, it touch the level, you make a good profit. That is called long put. Bull call spread. I'm moderately bullish but not very sure that underlying means that current market price would not fall. Okay, I'm moderately bullish but not very sure that underlying market would not fall. What strategy should I follow? Okay, when you think that underlying index or stocks will not go up somewhat, it will least near likely to rise fall, then you have to apply bull spread call. That is called bull spread call. You have to apply. That is what I'm using. That is called, I'm calling a cover call, that I will buy at the money call and I will sell out of the money call. That I'm bullish, but I'm not strongly bullish. Okay, I'm bullish of DLF, that DLF will go. That today I told you that DLF will go and can make a high. So I given a call to buy DLF 200 call, and I asked you to sold DLF 200.05 call. And even today morning I given a Reliance buy of 1102 call, and I asked you to sold Reliance 1140 call. So I'm moderately bullish that it will go up only, but I want to protect my money. That is will happen by a buy call spread, that I will buy a ATM call and I will sell the ATM call. So that is called a bull call spread. Now bear call spread, I'm moderately bearish, but I don't know that it will go beyond by underlying level. That is right now it's trading around 27,000 and my target is 26,500. And I'm strongly believe that it can touch or it will stop at 2600, 26,600. So at that time, what should I do? I will take a bear's call spread. What I will do, if I'm bearish in Reliance, that if trading at 1121, so what I will do, I will sell 1120 put, and I will buy a 110 that is I will buy 110 that is 1100 put, I will sell. That is I will first of all I will buy 1120 put, and I will sell 1100 put. So that's the way. It's a different way. It's a buying a ATM call and selling a OTM call. Here the buying a ATM put and selling a OTM put. Long trader, you are thinking that I'm not sure that where the side the market will go, but I know whichever side the market will go, it will make a new high. Whichever the market will go, it will make a 200 to 300 points. So what you will do, you will buy one call, you will buy one put. So whenever the market, if it goes on your direction, you will make a good profit. So that is called a raw long trader. That you are thinking that market will go on any one direction, but it will move by your strike price. It will move ahead your strike price, then you will make a good profit. This is called short straddles. You believe that it will fluctuate in narrow range. Okay, this is one most good important thing. When you see 5 to 6 doji together, when you see 7 to 8 doji together, then you have to use a short straddle, that you will short both call and put together of the same price, that you will sell the ATM call or you will sell the OTM call and put. Don't sell in the money call, in the money put. You will sell ATM call or put, or you will say in the money call, in the money put. And you will, if it's a doji happening in next one day, in next few hours, you will say a premium hitting on the both the side. Option premium, Aman, that it's a very basic that you need to see from the Google, from the YouTube. This is a very simple basic. You just YouTube, you search it, you will get it. It's a completely basic thing that you will see it. Otherwise, option premium, that if you want to see that what is option premium prime, that today I given a buy or Reliance buy 1102 at 20, that is called option premium price. That is 20, that is my price, option premium price. And that's the thing, option premium price, it's running at 20, that's your option premium price. And then you multiply with the lot, that is your total cost that's happening. Long call butterfly, this is something, it's a tricky thing, that you believe that underlying will fluctuate in narrow range, but I'm not sure it's moving sharply in either direction. So you don't know where the market will go. It will move in narrow range, and I don't know any direction where, I don't know what will happen. So what I will do, what I will do, that I will buy a one call, I will sell a two call, and I will buy a one call. So what you will buy, I will buy one in the money call and sell two at the money call and buy one out of the money call option. Okay. Same thing you can apply into the put strategy, but this butterfly strategy will give you the minimum profit and minimum loss. But handling this butterfly call and butterfly, this is short call, it's very tedious thing. because at that time 4 call is option, and if you're selling a 2 call and buying a 2 option, it required around 2 lakh rupees, because selling it's a long call and long butterfly. It's a positional call, and it's not for intraday, it's a positional call, and you require minimum around more than a 2.5 to 3 lakhs, and your profit will come to around 5,000 to 10,000 on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. That if you are using by one lot. So here you will buy one call, sell a 2 call, and buy one call. Which call is given? Buy in the money call, sell 2 at the money call, and buy one out of the money call option. Okay, same thing you can apply here. Sell one in the money call, buy 2 at the money call, and sell out of the money call option. So this way you can apply the butterfly strategy. The only thing that you require around 2.5 lakhs to hold for 2 weeks, and you can get a profit of 5,000 to 10,000, and you can get a loss of 5,000 to 10,000, same thing. But here the risk is less and the profit is also less. That's why the people are using this derivative strategy to form this strategy. The best strategy is bull call spread. If you're thinking the market will go up, today I thought that the market will go up, today the Reliance will go up, today I thought that okay, what can you do on Monday morning? Monday morning is right now trading at Nifty is trading at 11,278. So you can buy 11,300 call and sell the 11,400 call. That is become a bull call spread. Now you are bear. Okay. Now you are at the bear call spread, and you are thinking the market will fall. You can buy 1100, 200, 11,200 put. You can buy and sell 11,100 put. ATM call should be your upper hand. Upper hand means it's a strong hand. From strong hand you will make a profit, and the lower hand is your insurance that should protect your money. Okay, this is bear bull call spread and bear call spread that is mostly used everywhere. Long trader, that most of the people they are using, they having they even all of you have used many times that I will have a one call, I will have a one put. But if you know the strong direction now, based on yesterday today's data, I'm thinking the market will be good bullish. I can but I want to protect money, I can make a long straddle also, that I will buy a call and I can buy a put. And short straddle, that it will short straddle is for doji. If you see many doji together, and if you know that today is a range bound session, then you use a short straddle, sell a call, sell a put. So this fourth strategy is a very good strategy: bull call spread, bear call spread, long straddle, and short straddle. This is only comes after the practice, and this is first you please practice technical analysis, and then the intraday strategy then come to this chapter, because this chapters required a huge practice to understand. And long straddle, that is and butterfly, it's a butterfly. I'm not advisable. It's only thing that if you're having a cash of around 2.5 lakhs. NR7 is a narrow range 7. NR means narrow range 7. So what can I will go here. If you're finding a stocks with a narrow NR7 means 7 days doji. NR means narrow range, and it can be NR4, NR3, NR10, NR20. It can be NR7. 7 is nothing. 7 is a days. So you have to find a doji together. So if you want to find a doji together, what can you do? What I will do, I will make it here less than and equal to close. Let's see, I can, if I'm able to find a doji. This is doji formula I'm writing. Okay, here it's showing the too many people, too many things came. Open less than close. Yeah, I will select the sectors up. This is ITC. I don't see ITC is forming a doji. No, it's making clearly high, making higher and high. Doji means this is called a doji. Okay, 1 doji, 2 doji, 3 and 4 doji. So what you need to do, you need to create a horizontal line on the upside. You need to create a horizontal lines on the lowest point of the doji. So this I will call 4 NR. I will call 4 NR. Minimum more than 2 or 3 dojis is required. This is called 4 NR. If this level is broken, 267 is broken, it made a high of around 280. And even the doji, this is 2 doji. So you can write is 2 NR, one here 278, and this is 269. So when this level is broken, so it did not work. Here is a one, even a single doji breakout. Some people are using, create a that is here the Heiken-Ashi principle come. Then after fall, if you see a doji and if you see open equal to low, if you're aggressive trader, you can buy from here, or you can buy enter on the third level, and it's touch a high at 308. So this is called NR47. NR can be 8, NR can be 9, NR can be 10. It depends how many NR if you are using. If you're using intraday, use a 15-minute chart, even you can get NR 9, NR 10, NR 15 also. So any more questions? Any more questions you have? Or we are good to end the today's session? Okay, so no more questions. So thank you all. Please practice for at least 20 days from today. That is from Monday. If you practice hard, I promise you will have a good day, and you can make a. Let's see, there's one more message came. Where to get a call future means I am not able to understand. Where to get a call futures? What is your question? I'm not able to understand. Where to get a call futures? My call will come to the paid, and it will come to the student channel also. Both the way I'm giving the call. Both I'm giving a call to the paid. I'm giving to student. I'm giving to pay a call to paid students and followers. I need to give. I'm giving call everywhere. Paid calls mostly it's end at 10 a.m. and students I'm giving call whenever I'm finding anything coming from this stock spinners. And Reliance stocks that I've given into the free channels from the Capital Gain Daily. That's for my followers. For my 9,000 followers, I need to give something because they are following me. So every day I need to give something to them. So thank you. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. And from Monday, start practice for 20 days. If you want to make a small or good or big profit throughout your career. So that's all. Have a bye. Good night. See you on Monday.